So today, Gio and myself are in Elland, which is just outside Halifax. We're at Colchester Machine Tool Solutions. We're at the opening of their brand new facility. What you can see behind us here is the showroom, and this will be open to the public next week from Tuesday to Thursday. 3 days they're having an open house. Starts at 9 and finishes at 4. What can people see?
What really impressed me was the range of machine tools, Paul. So I was always familiar with the combination lathes, but they do a lot more than that. They offer a lot more than that. They've got the twin spindle lathes, the lasers. They've got the VMCs now that are creating a storm.
Multi-axis technology on show here at their 57,000 square foot brand new facility. Worth a visit next week. Open house Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 9 till 4, but on Wednesday they're open until 7 p.m. so you can get yourself here to look at the latest in technology from Colchester Machine Tool Solutions.